Hello everyone, in this video, I will be showing you how to create animated videos in Canva. So first, you just have to go to your Canva account, go to create a design, click video, and then here all you have to do is to think for that background that you want for your animated video. So let's just say in the first video or first animation, I want a nature background. So you just have to tap elements and type nature, click nature background, and look for that background that you want to use for your animated video or animated creation. Now tap and select the specific background. For example, I want to choose in the side or actually, you can go to Google and search for a nature background if you can't see any fit or good background here. So once you selected one, you just have to drag the picture to this blank page. And then for characters, all you have to do is to still go to elements, select any keyword like man, guy, woman, old man, or something like that. For me, I type old man walking. So you just have to drag that character to this nature background here. For example, this one. Now, if you want character that is moving, you can simply go to the search box here or magnifying glass and type man moving or women moving. Then you can see sample like this. Okay, so you just have to delete the previous one and search for that moving character. So once you find that one, all you have to do is to simply drag that character to this nature here. Okay. So for example, this one. So it's becoming realistic, right? Because the character is moving. Okay, so you can drag to any position. You can put anywhere here. For example, I want to put it right here. Okay, and then adjust the size. So this is what it looks like. Now, if you want to add more, you can add other character or you can also copy and paste this one. You can add as many as you can with the same character. Now, if you don't like the same character, actually you can drag any of characters here. But if you can't see another moving character, I have something to tell you. It's like a little trick. So all you have to do is just simply exit first this Canva, go to any web browser. But for me, I want to use Google and then look for a specific GIF. For example, you want a man walking and then you just have to type GIF. Okay, or look for GIF or any character you want. Okay, so here I am specific like guy running or guy walking cartoon and you just have to type GIF or search for GIF. Now, the problem is that if you're going to download this image, probably the background also is included, right? So if the background of the image is white, then you cannot remove that, and that white background is included if you're going to use this character or GIF character to your Canva. So another thing is you can just simply look for the specific GIF transparent. Okay. But if you can't find one, then you have to go to the site called remove background or background remover GIF. Any keyword like that. Okay. So as you can see, I downloaded a moving or a GIF character and I go to remove background GIF or something like that. Okay. Tap the first one here. Okay, and all you have to do is to import that profile, okay, from your computer, laptop, or any device, okay, and then open. So as you can see, the background is now removed, and all you have to do is to click Save As and download this image or GIF. So once done, you can go back to your Canva and upload this image or upload this GIF so that you can use this to your animated video. Okay, click upload, go to the specific file or image, and then and now you just have to drag this GIF to your nature background here in Canva. Okay. Okay, so as you can see, there are two characters Here, one is running and the other one is walking. So that's the first. Now, if you want to add another, you could just simply click this plus button here and we can look for another background. For example, you want park. And actually, I am using the basic version of Canva. So there are features here, there are part of the elements, or let's just say background or characters or any other features here, like what I've said earlier, that are unavailable. So if you are using the basic version, you would understand this one. So if you want to have access to this pro or this other images and features here, all you have to do is just simply upgrade your free plan to premium plan so that you can avail these features here. So for the meantime, let's just choose any available background here that is related to park. Okay, this one. And you can add more. Okay, drag its position, adjust this image, and put it anywhere here. You can add trees, you can add grass, and you can add anything. Okay, now here's the thing, if you want to add character, you just have to go to elements again and then add character. And if you think that you are looking for character that is unavailable here, because you're just using the free version of Canva, then you should do the same thing I did earlier. You just have to go to Google and then find a moving character or GIF, and then go to remove background GIF, click save as, and then download. Okay, so once you're done, you have to go to your Canva and then upload this GIF and then drag this to your Canva background here. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Okay, just drag the image here, the GIF here, and then you can do this or you can add more. You just have to do the same thing, same process. So as you can see, there is a moving character here. Okay, you can add as many characters you want. Okay, you can drag it from the element here in Canva, or you can download it from Google web browser or any browser here. Now, if you want to add another background, let's just say you want to add a zoo background, then you can search for a zoo background here. And if you can't see something fit for you or good for you, then you can do the same thing. Go to Google web browser and then download a zoo background. All you have to do is just simply click upload file, okay, and then drag that background or zoo background here. Now, if you want to add moving animal here, then you can go to elements and search for that specific animal, or you can type moving animals. But if you can't see one, then like what I've said earlier, you can do the same process, same thing. You have to go to web browser and then search for animals GIF or animals moving. And then you just have to go to remove background, import that file, import that GIF so that this site will remove that background. As much as possible, look for a background that has, or look for an image that has white background. Okay, so that's it. Now you just have to save or click save as and download. Go to Canva again and then upload a file, drag that GIF to your Canva animated project. So that's it. You can add more animals if you want. You can do the same thing or you can do this again and again. You can drag a or you can drag an animal from elements and you can download from Google. Now drag the moving animal here. Okay, adjust, place it anywhere, and that's it. Now you can add more. You can add background and characters to this Canva, okay, animated project. Now, if you want to see the result, you just have to drag it to the start here, okay, and this is what it looks like. This is just a basic tutorial. You can do better, okay, especially if you want to make a video content or a story, then do better. This is just a little information about how to do that. So that's how easy it is to create animated videos in Canva. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.